What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Hi. Today I am going to be trying to do a cut crease for the second time ever. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be using the You're So Money Baby by Kylie Cosmetics. I've been a real Kylie hoe lately, if you will. If you haven't noticed. But I bought one thing and I was like, oh wow, this is really good, let me try another one. And you know what, it was just like a vicious cycle, and now I have primarily pink bag, and it's just time to cut myself off. Anyways, after that little tangent, let's jump right in. So I already put down sort of a little transition shade. I already put down a little transition shade on my lids, and I just used the color Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. So I'm gonna pick up the color Blue Faces first. And I'm using a Morphe M504. Guys, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I've freaking watched one video on cut creases and I'm just kind of going for it, so let's go. So I'm just gonna kind of apply this right above my crease. And just creating the shape that I want using a very, very light hand. Josie, can you please stop licking yourself? You little sicko. Come here. Come here, mamas. Come here. Okay, so now I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. It's a little more dense. It's the Morphe M518. Okay, so now I'm just going to use that brush and go right back into Blue Faces. And just kind of going slightly below what we just did. Now that I have those two sort of bases down, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of setting powder since I already put on the rest of my makeup. I don't want to have to go back over it. I don't know if this is going to help me or what, but bitch, I'm doing it. I don't know how many times I want to reiterate the fact that I really don't know what I'm doing right now. But I'm going to pick up the Morphe E17 and go into Bands, which is the nice little chocolatey shade right there. And this I'm gonna just really tuck into that crease. Okay, I'm gonna use a smaller brush. I'm gonna pick up the Morphe M213. Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the brightest. Two left feet, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the high side. Think I need to get out, find me in the high tide. Get out of the Wi-Fi, get out of the timeline. I don't need a limelight, just a line of my time. Take me to that real life, take me for a lifetime. I've been in the dark for way too long. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Will you keep me where the light is? Keep me where the light is. Give me that earth and breeze, rolling down the You guys, I feel like it's like my nervous tick that my nose gets itchy, like right on the freaking inside edge. Oh, it fucking itches. Okay. That's it. No, I'm just kidding. Now I'm just gonna like pop a little something on that concealed spot that's real light, just so it doesn't get all cakey and gross looking. Like, I really don't know what else to do. I feel like this went from like a cut crease to just like a regular fucking blended eyeshadow. Whatever. Okay. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner and I'll be right back. I don't know what I was thinking doing that. On my lips today, I used the Kylie Lip Kit Bare. I can't. I'm ashamed. And that's that. I used the Lily Lashes and the Style Goddess today. Okay, guys. I just filmed an outro because I have a very strong feeling that what I'm about to try is going to be a massive failure. But I'm going to try it anyways. So Ariana Grande posted a picture on her Instagram, and she had her classic, you know, thick old wing that she does, which is why I did this today. And then she had a line in her crease. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to try it right now. And if it sucks, yeah, it sucks. You know, it's pretty dope. I'm gonna fix this side and try to do it right. I really don't want to touch it with any more eyeliner until I fucking get this fixed. So I'm gonna really just like kind of douse it on a wipe. I really hope this works. I think that's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. It's not great, it's not terrible. I'm just done messing with it, so this is it. This side looks really cute though. Like, I F with it. This side is just a disgusting mess, and I could just film an outro for like this side of my face. Like, okay guys, that's it for my video today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. I just don't know how else to fix it. I really don't. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. Oh, this side looks freaking disgusting. Like, I can't even deal with it, but this side is kind of cute. Okay, I might not even upload this one, so I'm not even gonna freaking do an outro because I kind of look like a clown in my opinion. Goodbye.